Hi, it's Anne here. In this Place Your Link 24 review, I am going to show you how you can now get free daily traffic to any link of your choice using Place Your Link 24 system with no experience or email list required. Make sure you stay to this end of this review, as I am going to show you a full walkthrough to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Place Your Link 24, just click on the link below, and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel, and to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's take a quick look at the bonus page. All of these exclusive bonuses will be available to you if you decide to purchase from my site. And all of these special bonuses will be right inside your account waiting for you after you purchase Place Your Link 24. Let's do a walkthrough together with Place Your Link 24 sales page. How would you like to have a one-click system to get free daily traffic to any link of your choice without any experience or email list required? Place Your Link 24 is a complete set and forget system. You will submit your link once and you get free daily traffic in the long run. This works in any niche and all clicks are from real buyers. There are no bots here, and this is totally newbie friendly. This works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Grab a copy of Place Your Link 24. Secondly, set up your system. And thirdly, you can enjoy free buyer traffic every day in the long run. And are you an affiliate marketer or a newbie? Are you still struggling to make headway in your business? Or you cannot seem to get anywhere without an email list? Or you cannot afford to pay for traffic? Or you do not want to spend hours making review videos? Or you're even fed up with buying product after product? If you answered yes to any of the above, and this is where Place Your Link 24 comes into the picture, whereby no traffic equals no sales. And Place Your Link 24, you will be getting targeted buyer traffic to any URL of your choice. And once you have submitted your link, you will enjoy free traffic in the long run.
Okay, this isn't going to be a long sales video. Your time's valuable, and so is mine. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and over the past 2 years, I've scaled up my income from 0 to over $35,000 US in revenue each and every month. Here's some recent proof. And here's another. In the process, I've launched 25 websites and almost 40 products, and I now benefit from over 30,000 members inside my Elite Tigers group. So, what I'm doing today is giving you the benefit to tap into some of my traffic. Welcome to Place Your Link. That's right, I'm going to let you place any link of your choice onto a rotator and then email it out to all 30,000 members across my group every single day for as long as my sites exist. Your link will be seen every single day by proven buyers. But that's not all. I'm also going to be sharing the links directly on my 25 websites, on my corporate website elitetigersgroup.org, and on my blog site dawoodislam.com. Yes, for a one-time crazy low price, you're going to benefit from free targeted traffic to any link forever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Place Your Link before the price goes up. Step 2. Place any URL of your choice to be added to the rotator. And Step 3. Sit back and relax as you benefit from free targeted buyer traffic each and every day. But act fast. Let me tell you a really big secret. At the start of the launch, there are no links on the sales rotator. That means that those who take fast action will get way more clicks to their links than those who delay. Because at the start of the launch, every single click could be going to their offers. So, the longer you delay, the less traffic you will get. This really is the ultimate product for fast action takers who pick up a copy during the launch period. I said that I wouldn't take up much of your time, so now it's up to you to decide. Do you want free traffic for life for less than the cost of a pizza? Or do you want to carry on as before, struggling to get anyone to visit your page? Don't worry if you say no. It means there'll be more traffic for everyone else. But if you say yes, then I'll see you on the inside, where we can get your free traffic started in less than 60 seconds from now. Take care and have a great day.
Welcome back. And if you decide to grab a copy of Place Your Link 24 during this special launch, you will get 5 fast action bonuses included in your purchase. Bonus 1, you get a 50% discount off of the Elite Academy. And second bonus is the free URL tester. Third bonus, you get a massive product bundle. You get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. Bonus 4, you will get reseller rights to 20 of Dawood's previous products. And the last one, bonus 5, is a dedicated customer support. And Place Your Link 24 also comes with 100% risk-free 30 days money-back guarantee. Let's do a recap on what you will be getting with Place Your Link 24 if you decide to grab a copy today. On the front end, you will get Place Your Link 24, 5 fast action bonuses, free URL tester, you get easy to follow video training, and a top quality support. And you can get all this today with just a low one-time payment. Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades available. The first OTO is Place Your Link Pro version. On this upgrade, Pro members can add an extra 5 links. Second OTO is Total Traffic Fix. This is a done for you setup of your squeeze pages, and you can send up to 6 times super solo ads to all members at all 25 membership sites in the Make Money Online niche. And you can even place your banner permanently on all 25 sites and enjoy free VIP upgrades as well. Third OTO is the reseller rights. You can sell Place Your Link 24 as if it was your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. The fourth OTO is done for your weekly campaigns. You will get sent 3 times done for your campaigns each and every week, and that will include done for a bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. And the last one, fifth OTO, is becoming a beta tester for the Elite Academy. You can become a beta tester for the new program of the Elite Academy, and you can join at less than half the regular price. And you will guarantee product launch with Dawood Islam and passive income at least twice a month from any of the sales rotators. And altogether, there are 5 OTOs to Place Your Link 24. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Place Your Link 24, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.